Alright, hi guys. So in this video, we're going to be discussing the feature that affects the ability to create multiple studies with the specific date ranges that you want without having to copy the previous created study and go in and change all the dates manually. So we're going to go ahead and log into the program. I'm just going to go ahead and put in my password. We're going to go into the analysis part of the program. And as you log in, so you see here, we have the project homepage, and you see I have 3 studies that we're going to be focusing on. So as you probably know, there are the 3 main components in the actual program, which are the projects, studies, and reports. The overall projects are basically folders that contain and organize your existing studies and the reports within those studies. So here we're going to be talking about frequent use cases, so what frequent use cases are and what they entail and what they mean. So a frequent use case is basically to create a bunch of studies and reports inside a project that describes the date for one whole year. Then the next year, wanting to do those exact same reports, but with different dates. So you want to keep the same reports that you already have, but instead of going in manually to change all the dates, you can just do it with this easy one-step thing. So the common problem was the fact that when you had a frequent use case, it was necessary to copy the project and manually go in and change the dates from the previous study, which is a bit tedious. So now with the new update, instead of going in manually to change all the required dates in the copy project, the project settings tab has the ability to set the new desired date range for any of the selected studies within only one step. So to do that, I'm going to demonstrate it here. After you log into the program, you're going to go to Project Settings, which is right here. So you're going to go to the Project Settings tab, and you see I have a list of existing studies. You're going to go ahead and select all of those existing studies. If you see it open the studies, and you can still go ahead and look in and see what's in those studies. As you see in study 3, I have a quick little chart that you can just view. And so you're going to go ahead and go back to the main web page, and then you're going to go back to project settings. So, like I said, you're going to press and select all your existing studies, and you're going to ignore these two. You want to pay attention to set selected study dates too. And so now we get to change. And so let's say instead of, you want to set it to January 2021, and then you want to set it to the beginning of next year, so 2022 of January. So you can go ahead and keep scrolling down, and you can just go here and set selected dates too, and it's going to give you this little pop-up thing that says, are you sure you want to change all the selected studies to the specific date range? If you're happy with what you have, you're going to press OK. And it has updated the 3 studies. So you press OK, and you can go in and check your studies just to make sure that everything's what you want it to be. And it has 1/1/2021 and 1/1/22. So they are the selected date range that I want. And it should be changed within your charts, which is what they'll be, as you can see here. So that'll be it. And you can go back to main, and it'll still show you the studies that you have that you just changed, and that's it. Thanks so much. You're going to go ahead and just log out of the program.